Hi, my name is Rob Downey, and I am one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found, and I am excited today to be able to announce Simply Be Found 5.0. We have totally redone how Simply Be Found looks, how it feels. Our basic plan is now for our listings. Our entire listing engine has been rebuilt. Our whole social media marketing suite has been rebuilt. We now have an AI tool that can do your SEO for you, and we have done for you plans. Now, when we talk about listings and we talk about what we have, we used to have three different plans inside of there. And since you're getting this video, your chances are you're one of our current members. And really depends on what plan you are on as far as where you're going to fit into the new plans or if you're going to stay on the old plan. Don't worry, the old system will still be up for a while. You don't have to move over. You'll still continue to be on voice search. You'll still be continue to be on those things as long as you're on a paid plan. If you're on a free plan, you are not on voice search. You are not being found on all the networks. You're not being found everywhere. If you have not connected your Google business profile to the old platform, you are not being found in those spots either. What makes the new plan completely different is, for one, we're going to more networks. For two, requires nothing for you to have to sign into, nothing for you to have to post into. Does not require Google. Does not require you to be able to lift a finger besides filling out a form and then letting us know if anything changes inside of there. One of the big things we heard from a lot of you is that you did not want to have to worry about logging into a platform, did not want to learn a piece of software, and you wanted to be able to just make sure that you're listed and you're registered out there. So what we did is we created a way for you to be able to fill out a form, goes to a marketing coach, will help you be able to make that form to where, or make all that information as best as it possibly can to get you the best results. So we'll work that content with you. We'll ask you any questions. We'll go back and forth, and then we're going to send out to the networks. The new networks that we're adding is going to be Yellow Pages, Super Pages, YP.com. We're going to be adding Yelp into the mix. We are reconnecting into Apple in a different way than we've ever connected to Apple before. We're connecting to Bing in a way that we've never connected to Bing before. We're moving to the newest technology. So when we started Simply Be Found almost 5 years ago, the technology was so different. You didn't have all this AI technology out there. You didn't have voice search the way you have voice search today. A lot's changed. And what we did is we went back to the entire drawing board to figure out what is getting people results, what is not getting results for business owners. And really 5.0 is going to be a way to be able to change the way that small businesses are being found online and the way that you are going to be able to get your business out there, because a lot of it comes down to your website. I used to talk all the time that, websites were dying and that they weren't going to be there. Well, guess what? That took a huge change when AI came out. It's now about your schema. Voice search is picking up on that. So the pivot, everything kind of pivoted over. I used to always talk about how it was important to do your posts and questions and answers. Google stopped ranking those things. They stopped indexing them like they were. So they don't have as much value now as they once did. So what we've done is we've created this system, or these different systems, to be able to hit everything. Our brand new social media marketing suite now works with YouTube. It works with Pinterest. It works with Twitter. It works with TikTok. It works with Facebook, Instagram, and it works with everything natively. So you have reposting tools. You have AI built into it. It's an entire brand new dashboard that will make it to where you're doing your social media at just a few clicks of a button, to where you can absolutely just rock and roll your social media campaigns. The AI SEO tool works with any website. So all you have to do is just install a small code onto your website, which will help you do. And once you install that code, your marketing coach will help optimize everything based on your listing data. We'll put the schema on your website. We'll redo all your title tags. We will make your website to where it is able to convert, and you don't have to worry about it. You just have to know it's done. It's going to learn based on your all of the stuff that's hooked into it. So it's going to know this is what you're ranking for, this is what you're not, and how can I be able to justify to get you the most traffic as it possibly can. So when you combine listings with social and with the AI SEO tool, you're going to get results like you've never had before. And those results from everybody who's been inside of the beta test, they're getting results faster than I've ever seen anybody ever get results in my entire career. Now, do I guarantee that? No. Now, the important piece to know inside of the listings piece is it no longer requires Google. So Google is manages its own thing. You can give us permission to be able to manage your Google business profile, but you don't even have to connect it. Don't even have to worry about connecting that thing in. You can just get out there and be able to run your business. If you're already doing Google business profile, don't worry about it. Just keep going with it. Do your thing. I'm going to have a bunch of training videos coming out of how to be able to manage your own Google business profile, how to make that simple, and what you need to be doing for doing posts, for doing questions and answers, and doing all of that natively. So this is a huge change and a huge shift in the entire marketing aspect. And I really want to be able to just say that this is going to be one of the big things I'm just super stoked about. With all the stuff coming out with AI, with all the stuff coming out with voice search registration or voice search, um, just in general and local SEO, this is going to be a game changer for you as a small business owner. So if you are already a member and you are looking to be able to upgrade or be able to go over to 5.0, depends on which version you are on and what plan you are on. Will depend on what kind of deal we can get you. If you're interested in moving to 5.0, let us know. Say, hey, guess what? I've got this account. I'd love to be able to find out. Chat with us. Send us an email to support@simplybefound.com. We'd love to talk to you and talk to you about what your options are and how we've changed and what we've changed everything over to. The website for us is currently getting redone. We're kind of playing with some different ideas and concepts. There'll be a lot more information coming on it and kind of building up based on what we're going to be releasing out. So I'm super stoked about this. I'd love to hear your feedback and let you know and answer any questions that you might have. Again, my name is Rob Downey, one of the co-founders here at Simply Found. I've been doing this stuff since 1995, and I haven't seen changes like this in years. So I'm super stoked. I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and let's rock this. Let's take this to the next level and get your business found by more local customers that are looking for your products and services that you offer. Again, thank you for being a member. We truly appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. We're still staying a small company. You have a 1 in 5 chance of, or a 2 in 5 chance of getting a co-founder when you make a phone call, 1 in 5 chance of getting myself. And then, I mean, right now for phone calls, we're handling almost 100% of those calls. There's very seldom any of our coaches hop on. Our coaches are on chat. Our coaches are inside of email, helping to be able to get your business where you need to be. We're going to stay a small business for small business. So if you're looking to be able to get your business found, and if maybe you're not a member already, definitely give us a try. We do things a little bit different over here, and we aim to be able to get the results that you're looking for. And by the way, that social media marketing suite also has full reporting inside of it as well. So I can't wait to do a couple demo videos on that. That'll be coming out later this week. Thanks and have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.